Hey, what's up? 我是小爱 Alice. Do you see that I wear all red today? Because Chinese New Year is coming! Yay! My channel is about celebrating different cultures in the world, combining Western and Eastern cultures. Although I live in Spain and we don't have any atmosphere of Chinese New Year, we're going to do something at home to spice things up. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and share with everybody. Happy New Year! Chinese New Year is not only celebrated in China, it's also celebrated in Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, Vietnam as well. In Japan, they used to celebrate Chinese New Year, but now they only celebrate 1st of January. Feliz Año Nuevo! Happy New Year! 新年快乐！恭喜恭喜！恭喜发财！我今天穿的都是红色，你会发现为什么呢？应景庆祝新年就穿红色，这是中国带来好运的颜色，红。然后我们今天要来写春，是其中一个过年的传统，我们来看一下吧。Just get a piece of paper, red paper, cut a square out of it by making a triangle first, cut it, and then you have a square, perfect square. Come closer. Chuan means spring, because after Chinese New Year, the spring is coming. Then all crops after a long winter will start again. 春起好了，primavera, spring. Then we're going to hang it upside down. Why? Because reverse being upside down, it's dao or dao. It has similar sounds to the word coming or arrival, para que viene o para que llega. That's why we're going to welcome spring with paper reverse. 其实不只是中国过春节，像是马来西亚、新加坡、台湾，甚至越南，他们都庆祝中国新年。以前的日本也是一样，但是现在他们是过新历的星期四的时候，我们会和全家人坐下吃晚饭，团圆饭。北方的家庭通常是吃饺子、水饺，但南方的家庭呢是吃火锅，大家围在一起吃团圆饭。我给大家看一些照片。好，那就代表去年2020年真的过喽。希望大家新年可以有好运，新年行大运，恭喜恭喜！如果有学到什么的话，记得点赞、订阅我的频道、追踪我的频道。